drill more holes in the wall, man.
Oh my God! Okay, when you put the frame on your wall, are you literally drilling a 10 meters hole?
I hate renters like you, man. I'll just fucking use a great big hole saw and I'll drill a fucking hole in the wall. It's not my fucking house, so I don't give a fuck.
It depends on the renter. I mean, some of them are smart enough they fill the holes in before they leave, but
most of them don't fucking do that. They just leave a fucking big mess.
Enforcer, it's a fucking hole for like a frame size. It's like not even 2 centimeters.
Man. Fuck.
Oh my God! Why are you so pissy about that? Did someone drill a hole in your butt some time ago?
Somebody else's fucking money.
Oh, Enforcer, you don't like hole, obviously, except butthole, but it's a different story.
Sheep hole, man.
Wow.
Sheep hole.
Sheep hole, yeah. Fucking get it right.
Wow.
Right.
Drilling holes.
Nice talk.
Shit.
That's totally wrong.
Looks like we lost upstairs. Yeah.
Lost the boiler room already.
Well done, Hankey.
Well, it's only because of Enforcer.
Hankey, why weren't you up there blowing them?
That's a good question.
He's dead.
Sniper, pulling
He's
here.
too busy drilling holes in other people's drywall.
Hey, Enforcer, come here. We'll drill a hole in your butthole.
Drill a hole in his butthole.
Drill a hole in the
It's not
hole.
even Friday night.
Hey, we're doing great.
There's only one reason you're fucking someone else's house is because you didn't pay for it.